happening, everybody? Tony, Scotty, Scared City Productions. On location. We, as you can see, are at a different location this time. We are filming a movie. And the next several videos that y'all see are probably going to be in different locations. Between here, probably the haunted house, because we are filming.
Yep. Which I haven't gotten to leave here much. I've pretty much been here for 3 days. So that's why one of the other reasons why we're doing this instead of at the house. But we've got a couple of boxes that we're going to unbox today. But before we get into it, you know, we want to just kind of, mention we've got our apparel out for Slaughttery. If you haven't checked that out, please do so. It'll have the link down below to be able to go down there and do that. Also, check us out on Facebook. You'll see a lot of updates, and if you do live local, we are looking for some talent for our background characters and things like that for the movie.
Oh yeah.
But without further ado, we are going to get into Loot Fright.
Loot Fright.
Yep. Now, I can tell by this box that either I'm gonna say.
I can tell by the hole in the side of this box what's in it.
Yeah.
Or what fell out of it.
Yeah, it looks like the post office either done something to it, or I don't know. It kind of looks like they kicked out of it a couple times too.
You suck. A little rough. But then again, that's what the post people do to him.
Yeah. Ah! That's a real knife, and he really stabbed me.
Yep, that was so stab-alicious. Smith & Wesson don't make no.
They don't?
Alright, let's see what we got. It is a box.
It's a box.
Ooh, the box has got stuff on the box.
It's got teeth.
Let's have teeth. Oh, and it's a mouth. Oh, yeah. That's how the box do. What is this?
Oh.
Yeah, we have no table,
so we're gonna set it over here. All right. Well, the shirt says it's The Fly, so I'm assuming that it is
The Fly.
The Fly, a movie that I know. Yes.
Oh, dude, yeah. I like that.
I do like the shirt.
I like that a lot.
On the back of it, it's got
Loot Fright.
Yeah, it's got Loot Fright on it. I like that
I like the green. I love the green. Jeff Goldblum!
Yeah, and it's covering pretty much the whole shirt.
Oh yeah. So that's a pretty legit shirt right there.
Really, really good shirt.
Unfortunately, I do not believe it glows in the dark. Although it does look like it does. Next. See something that catches my eye. It's a black box. It's got red teeth on it. What? Could it be? Oh. Another reason to use a knife.
Well, on the side of it, it says it's a phone stand, so I'm a...
Well, good job. Just screwing the surprise up.
No surprise. It's a phone stand.
We don't let him do nothing. Hey, I bet y'all didn't know we reopen all the boxes and look at all the crap first, too. Oh. No! Dude, I like that. I really like that, actually. It is.
I was expecting it to be red, honestly.
A phone stand. Check that out. That is actually pretty awesome. Put my phone down. Let's see how it works. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It doesn't obscure the view of the phone very much either.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm sure I used that word right. I don't know. It don't matter.
Maybe.
Yeah. Oh, all four ways. Look at that. You can even do it backwards. Look. Nope, don't work backwards. It's alright, just snatch it. It's cool.
I will. Resin?
Resin?
Is that what it is? Maybe?
I don't know, it moves. Like you can squish it together a little bit.
Well, this way you can.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty nice.
I think it's pretty cool. I dig that. I want one of my own, actually. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.
Alright, looks like the next one is a
Firework.
the Twilight Zone. It's a recipe box. Looks like there's 50 blank cards in there. But it's a nice little...
It's a Twilight Zone recipe box, that's all it is?
Yeah, that's all it is.
Just a little box.
Yep.
Pull it to the side, you got recipe cards in it, you pull it out this way, I guess.
I'm assuming.
Yeah, it just has little things for the Twilight Zone on the sides of it, or on the front back. And then it says, "It's the cookbook."
It's a book. It's you a cook.
Yeah, so there's that. Another black package of such. Oh.
Now the past few months that I've gotten this Loot Fright, which I think they're like by a month. I don't think it's every month.
Legends and lore.
Yeah.
Like we've had a couple of these.
Yeah, I believe it's a bookmark.
It's Baby Yaga. Deep in the swamps dwell a fearsome crone in a hut on chicken legs. She's been known to help the lost souls that stumble upon her, just as she's been known to eat them alive. In your travels, be careful not to cross paths with the Baby Yaga, a supernatural witch.
It's not baby, that's Baba.
Baba? Oh, it does say Baba. Baba Chihuahua.
He's a Damasa.
Baba. Slavic folklore. It's kind of cool. It's got a little cool black box. You can kind of see the, let me see if I can get it on there where you can see the picture a little bit.
I think you got it.
Wham Jam.
So it is bookmark.
Yep, it's a bookie mark. Baba Yaba. Yama Chupapa. Baba Kalaba Naba.
Shibbolething dong.
Shakaka. Shawshank Redemption. Got a cool little purple tassel.
I actually like the color of that.
With the gunmetal gray kind of look.
That was a little better than the last one.
Let me see if I can find a way you can actually see. There we go. There it is. Yep, pretty cool looking up. Heavy metal. Heavy metal. Excellent. Sorry, I've had caffeine today, folks.
And I'm still running on fumes. It's been
Is that what that smell is?
No.
It's hot. That's what I think they are.
Those are vomit bags.
Vomit bags, because it says the devil made me spew it.
Yep, we've got vomit bags.
That's pretty cool.
So I'm assuming they're actually lunch bags, but it says this vomit bag.
Scary Devil Girl 2.
Yeah. I've not ever seen this, so I really don't know a whole lot about it.
I don't know. It's something to check out.
Yeah.
Of course, I've been aware of a lot of.
It's got a lot of, or it's got some neat, art on the front of it.
Oh yeah, very much.
Yeah, so that's not bad.
I've had a lot of random movies that I have not ever seen or heard of brought to my attention over the past day or so. Hey, another Crypt TV piece. More.
And about every time we've got a Crypt TV pin.
I used to watch Crypt TV on my phone all the time until somehow it became obsolete and does not work on my phone anymore.
Yeah.
Or the other 3 phones I've had since then.
I do like this pin. A couple of them that they've had, it's kind of been
It's Mordio. Mordio. I'm gonna go with Mordio. But it's pretty cool looking. It's black and red.
Might be tough to kind of see it.
Yeah, we kind of have a little bit of lighting issues in here, but
Yeah. don't know if you can see this.
I think you can.
So it's pretty much.
Oh yeah, it's that head.
Yeah, it's pretty much this head.
On a pin.
Yeah. So it's actually it's a pretty neat pen.
Yep.
But
Practical.
yeah. You kind of hit and miss a little bit on this Loot Fright.
Yeah.
I do like it that they go outside the regular
box.
The box. Yeah, kind of. So
I do very much like the phone stand. I think the phone stand's pretty
the
awesome.
phone stand's pretty neat.
I mean, I could always repaint it, so it don't make a difference to me. I'd give the box a 6, bro. It was interesting, but the Twilight cookbook thing, it's kind of neat. It's kitschy for kitchen, but they're just kind of plain all together. It's literally just a box of Twilight crap on it and some empty cards.
Yeah.
So
I mean, the shirt's pretty good.
the shirt's definite. The shirt's
and if I'm not mistaken, I'm actually paying, I think.
a whole bunch of mine.
No, this one, I think I bought it when it was 50% off, so I think I'm paying $12.50 a box.
Oh, when did they do that?
They do it every once in a while. So, like I think I'd even get the Loot DX for half price. It's like $26 instead of 50-something bucks. So it's not bad. I mean, for what you're paying now, if not, it would be like a $20-something, $25, $26 box. You know, but it's not bad. You know, they do a lot of the stuff that's not mainstream. You know, I think the Fly in the Twilight Zone.
The Fly shirt is super fly.
Yeah, for these two white guys.
I dig the shirt.
But
box it yourself? What was that?
Whatever.
King?
King.
What kind of jazz music you listening to?
I don't know. There's no
You
damn
having this
jazz.
trailer too damn long.
Yeah, man. I'm tired, dude. Tired. But we hope you enjoyed this box. It was fun to open.
Was it though?
It was fun. It wasn't necessarily the things that I dig.
Yeah.
But
the shirt was the top piece. I give it up for the shirt because me personally, y'all know, I love the shirts. We've gone through like 80 episodes, and I think I've only wore the same shirt maybe once or twice. That's how many shirts I got. I love shirts. That is a definite awesome keeper.
Yeah, I mean it's a good.
I would totally be getting it off of you if it wasn't like five times X sizes more than what I wear. But
yeah, it's not that 5 times.
yeah, it is. That thing's like a 3X, dude. I seen it on the day. I wear XL.
That's 2.
What's 2?
XL to 3X is 2 sizes.
It don't matter, dude. It means it's still way bigger than what I wear.
He dumb. He can't count.
It's a tent. If it's a tent, I can't wear it. I don't have night-night clothes. I sleep naked like a man.
Hey, you about to go night-night?
I ain't got one pillow, one blanket, 2 beds. Why you need 2 beds? I don't know. You put one down, you put another one on top of me when I'm in there. Bed sandwich. That's how I sleep. Don't worry about what I do.
Night-night.
Night time.
You're a
But
the fan in the middle. Woo!
Yeah, not bad box. If
Not bad box.
If I was rating this box,
6.
I'm not going to 6.
I'm gonna go 5.
I'm probably going to go a 4.
You said that box sick.
You
The pen's cool. I dig the teeth, the phone case, and the phone, and the phone, and the phone, and the shirt.
But
it's got 3 different good pieces that are pretty decent in there.
Yeah, but I'm going to keep buying it because
the other one was
I'm a dumbass, I guess, and I like spending money.
Man, just like making videos.
Yeah.
Watch all these pretty people out here look at my pretty face.
Yeah, my pretty face. I got you.
The luscious beard. The beard.
No, not beard. But we appreciate y'all sticking around with us. We've got some more unboxings. We've got some tutorials coming up, and then
probably some different locations too.
Yeah, we'll have some different.
We might just be laying on the ground one day, looking at the stars, and film it.
And a lot of mosquitoes.
That's horrifying.
Yeah. That's scary.
Hey, that sounds like a challenge. Why don't we just lay outside underneath the light and have Sarah film it for us? And see how long and how many mosquitoes we can get on each other before one of us gives up.
Oh, dude, I'm pretty sure I'd win that.
Money involved? Is there food involved?
I think I would win if it was money, but maybe not food.
I don't know.
Sure do like your food.
I like money too.
Yeah. But y'all, we appreciate you sticking around with us. We will catch y'all at the next video.
Speaking of money, like, subscribe,
Yeah.
check us out, because we would like to get paid at some point in time.
But we'll see y'all later. Peace.
I know what you think. Does Dean Winchester stand in front of you? No, but I'm that sexy though. You like what you see? Check out some more stuff.